Hello everyone, today we will continue to design steel backplate in IdeaStatica. Click on the result and strength 1D element reaction to show the reaction at grid line A5. The compression force is 92. Okay, open IdeaStatica. Click on the backplate and select the shear connection. Okay, we use the shear connection and change the grade to 275. Okay, bolt assembly we use 20. We keep it, and for the weld we use the AISC and click OK. Create new project. Click on the column to change the column. Change this section. Yes, correct. OK. And still grade 275. Click OK. And change the bowl. Yeah, the bowl. Click on the bowl. Top layer, less layer. Okay, let's check at the top view. It's correct. Can change it. Okay. Now complete for the geometry, and you can input the correct dimension of the concrete block. But I'm not focus about the concrete block. We focus about steel connection and backplate and click on the load to input load. The actual force is 92. Okay, let input 92. And shear measure C is 31.7. Yeah, correct. And for the minor C, 2.6. Okay, complete. So that you can run analysis and design to check. Yeah, check fair shear. Yeah, you can use the lug at the bottom of the backplate. You can use a friction or shear lug. Okay, we add the steel at the bottom plate. Can change the section of this steel. Click. Now I use yeah, 125 or 100. Click OK and run analysis and design again. So it complete the result less than 100%. So that you can optimize the backplate, you can optimize the thickness, and you can optimize other parameter to get the maximum result. Other way you can change this bolt type, change it to anchor, and change the bolt. No, calculate it again. Yeah, when you change it to anchor, it's okay. You anchor bolt and check for anchor where, and you can optimize the section as you wish. Come back, check on the check and strain. Equivalent stress in contact. Yeah, this is the stress in concrete, bolt force and deformation. Can continue to report. Check the theoretical background, so the section, the material grade is correct, and the bolt the diameter of bolt is 20 and grade 6.8. You check, yeah, the SU 600 is correct, and you can export it to PDF. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it tutorial.